I've decided to make a Bitcoin giveaway. I'm gonna give away $500 in Bitcoin to you once my channel hits 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to choose a random comment using a special YouTube random comment picker. How to win in this giveaway? Watch this video till the end and I will show you exactly how to take part in this giveaway and how to win your Bitcoin. Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria. I'm invested in stocks, some real estate and cryptocurrency. And this channel is my online diary. Here I'm showing you my personal challenge and goal to get at least $1 million in 7 years or even less using different investing strategies. Thank you for supporting my growing channel. I really appreciate it and I want to make something good for you too, to make you a little happier and a little wealthier. So I'm starting this giveaway on my channel where I'm gonna give $500 in Bitcoin and I'm gonna pick a winner when my channel will hit 2,000 subscribers. $500 will be divided into 5 people, 5 winners. So each of you can easily win $100 in Bitcoin. The rules are super easy. It's only 5 steps you should make to take part in this giveaway, and it's absolutely free for you. Be careful, there will be some scammers in the comments, and remember that my comments are always highlighted like this. So let me show you these 5 rules very quickly, and remember that you can also find them in the description of this video. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel with notifications on. Just hit that subscribe button if it's still red and hit that bell also. I believe we will have a lot of fun together on this channel because I'm gonna start a new giveaway when my channel will hit 5,000. 10,000, 20,000 and then 100,000 subscribers. So stay tuned and be subscribed. Number 2, you have to sign up to Coinbase. This is a crypto exchange platform if you still don't know. Don't worry, it's the safest platform ever where you can buy, sell and store your cryptocurrency. So you have to sign up to Coinbase exactly through my link, through this exact link in the description of this video, because I'm gonna send you the Bitcoins that you will win to your Coinbase account. And by the way, when you will sign up with this link and deposit your first $100, you will get free $10 of Bitcoin instantly to your Coinbase account. So don't miss your chance, go sign up, deposit $100, get $10 free, and be ready to win in my giveaway. You can also sign up without any deposit, but it will be good to get an extra $10 free in Bitcoin depositing just $100. And don't worry, the Coinbase registration is super easy, anybody can do it. Rule number 3, share this video on your social media. It might be Facebook, Twitter, anything you like, just do it. You can share directly from YouTube, click share and choose where you're going to share it. Rule number 4, subscribe to my Instagram. Here is the link. I'm posting some funny stuff there and my daily stories also. I'll be happy to see you there. So this task is also super easy. And finally, the step number 5, you have to leave a comment down below. Just let me know that all these steps are done. I will check out everything because I will choose a winner through these comments. So when the other 4 steps will be done, just go and write here in the comments done, or write anything you want and let me know that you already done all these steps. I wish you good luck and stay tuned for all those giveaways I'm gonna make when my channel hits 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 and 100,000 subscribers. Bye!